Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We're here in Tecate, Mexico. We're heading down to San Felipe. Today I'm riding with ADV Eddie and Francisco the Explorer. So if you guys want to follow them on Instagram, they're pretty big riders out here in the region. So they have a lot of cool content on their pages and they're always posting stuff. So two really cool guys. They're on BMW 1200 GSAs. I believe they're 17s or 18s. So we just left the hotel and we're headed down to San Felipe. So the route that we're going to take is pretty much 100 miles of dirt, and then we're going to go stay at a hotel on the ocean. So it should be a pretty good trip. It's going to be about a 4-day trip. Last night we actually got to the border at like 1 a.m. and it was closed, so we had to sit in the car for a couple of hours. So that was pretty tiring. So once it opened up at 5, and then we had a reservation for our rooms, and then we slept for a couple of hours, and now we're back on the road. It's always an adventure. Yeah, these guys' bikes are pretty decked out. They're pretty sweet. So I was running the Garmin Zumo, and I'm having issues with my GPX file, so I'm running the 64ST handheld. So always have a backup to your backup. Eddie just ripping through here. Yeah, ride through Mexico is a trip. It's kind of cool. You just get a different vibe when you're on a motorcycle. So right now I'll tell you guys the temperature. 54 degrees outside. So it's a pretty nice riding weather. You can put the heated grips on, and you know, it feels comfortable. It doesn't get too hot, but then, you know, with all this gear, it's just perfect. So it's really nice weather out. It's a little damp. I think it rained last night a little bit, so it's starting to dry up. So right now we're actually headed from Tecate. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but we're headed about probably about 10 miles south of that town. Now we're on the toll road, and we're headed to San Felipe. So from here we're gonna find a trail. It's off one of these roads. I have to look at my Garmin real quick and see. I think this is gonna loop us around to it, but distracted riding. Yeah, so these guys are really cool. I've ridden with ADV Eddie. He's the guy who's leading today. We did the Nevada BDR back in, I think it was 17. So really cool guy. Francisco the Explorer, the guy that's in the middle of us, he's also on a BMW 1200 GSA. And this is my first time riding with him, but really cool guys. Just really chill, just the type of people that you want to ride with, because you know, when you go on these kind of trips, you just want to ride with people that go with the flow. And you know, if you have one person that's on a set schedule and they have to stick to it, you know, it kind of makes it harder for the rest of the group. So it's nice to be with guys that are, you know, they're just pretty chill. So not sure what this is. Being stopped for something. It must be the beginning. Looks like this part of Baja actually burned. There's a huge fire zone back here, and every tree is black. So we're out here at this abandoned building, about 50 miles from anything.